Our clients are a professional couple with 2 grown-up kids, and they brought us in to renovate their home. It was a dark, dated house that was built in the 80s, and they wanted to open up the space and make it a really personal and beautifully curated house.
We wanted the place to be bright and beautiful, and we wanted to bring sophistication.
These clients love to entertain and they spend a lot of time at home, so we wanted this home to really feel where they can just relax and be at ease. The original entrance had a typical oak staircase. We updated it with some metal balusters and painted the handrail to make it a really welcoming, dramatic space to enter into. We got some contemporary dark hexagon tiles to create some drama and some balance for the space.
We also created a really nice transition between the hardwood and the tile. So it's a really nice shape when you walk in, and it's not your typical transition.
We took down the walls between these spaces to make it an open concept space, but we also wanted to make sure that the spaces are connected and comfortable for the family. We didn't want to create a stark kitchen for them, so we chose finishes that are really easy to maintain and also feel very easygoing. The wall cabinets are kind of an off-white, a grayish, and we chose a contrasting color for the island in our client's favorite color, which is a beautiful muted green-blue. That actually is really interesting because it changes color depending on the time of the day.
We wanted the coffee bar to be a focal point in the kitchen, so we brought the tone from the island to the coffee bar, and it's just a nice addition with the touch of wood and the watercolors and the backsplash.
We had a bonus space in the kitchen, and we decided to create a really cozy reading nook for the clients. There's a ton of natural light that flows into this space, and it makes a really nice connection to the other spaces on the main floor. We wanted to create a family room that is a great spot for watching TV, but also for entertaining as well. So we have a large sofa, and we also have 2 chairs that can be pulled in for cozy conversations and also are great for lounging and watching television.
The dining room was important to have an extendable table. We have 6 people for everyday use, and then the table extends to 10-person for large family dinners.
We designed the gallery wall to cover the entire wall in the dining room to be extra dramatic. It is one of the first walls that you see as you enter the house, and it just is really a spectacular feature in the dining room.
We wanted the powder room to be a special place, so we did a nice custom floating vanity with a stone sink and wallpaper all over the walls. Something unexpected. It's not your traditional powder room.
The master bedroom is a refresh. The client had a beautiful headboard already, and she already had existing furniture. So our job was to find the perfect rug, new lighting, and freshen up the bedding. The son's room is a really, really special space. He's really into nature and hiking. We had this beautiful custom mural made by Wall Decor, oak night tables, and some brass lighting to bring in some warmth as well. So we started the design process in September, and they asked us to come back to decorate for the holidays. So we used a lot of natural elements, beautiful fresh greenery and cedar and pine boughs.
The kids are older, and instead of doing a traditional large Christmas tree, we decided to sprinkle different sizes of trees throughout the space in each different room. So in the kitchen, we have 2 smaller trees, one elevated on a pedestal to give it some height, a nice larger Christmas tree in the dining room, and even some smaller sized trees in some of the bedrooms.
And fun fact is that our clients are actually away right now. So we have been Christmas decorating in their absence, and I cannot wait for them to come home and see their house all ready for the holidays.